In this video, I will show you how to fix Zoro.To Not Working. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, is a couple of things you can try. The first thing to check is a website called updownradar.com. Now on this website, what you can do is enter Zoro.to into the search box at the top, and you can actually check to see if there's any outages or problems with the website. So as you can see on this page, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see if there's any current problems with Zoro.to. If it's the case that the website is down, you just need to wait until the website is back up. Try now and again to see if you can access the website, but it's just a case of basically waiting until there's no issues. So if the website is working fine and there's no problems, what you're going to want to do is actually clear your internet cache. To do that, for example, I'm using Google Chrome. What you would do is come up to your settings. So for Google Chrome, you want to come up to the top and press onto the three dots up here. Then what you want to do is come down and click onto settings from the menu and search for the cache in here. Alternatively, what you can do is hold down Control, Shift and Delete on your keyboard. And this is going to take you across to a screen like this where you can go ahead and clear your cache. So what you want to do is make sure these boxes are ticked to clear cached images and files, browsing history and so on and so forth. Make sure the time range is set to all time and then go ahead and click the clear data button. Before doing this, make a note of any passwords as this will log you out of accounts and websites. And once that's done, that should fix the problem. Make sure to restart Chrome after doing this and you should be able to access Zoro.to. So that is how to fix if Zoro.to is not working. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.